Q1. How many Vande Bharat Express train will be launched in India during the celebrations of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? A. 100, B. 75, C. 50, D. 25, E. 30. Correct answer. B. 75. Notes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on the occasion of 75th Independence Day on August 15, 2021 and announced that 75 Vande Bharat trains would connect different parts of the country in 75 weeks of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Q2. Prime Minister announced the Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti initiative to create employment opportunities for the country's youth and help in holistic infrastructure growth. The initiatives will cost A. 1,000 crore rupees, B. 10 lakh crore rupees, C. 1,000 lakh crore rupees, D. 100 lakh crore rupees, E. 1,100 lakh crore rupees. Correct answer. D. 100 lakh crore rupees. Notes. Prime Minister announced a 100 lakh crore rupees Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti initiative which will create employment opportunities for the country's youth and help in holistic infrastructure growth. Gati Shakti will help local manufacturers turn globally competitive and also develop possibilities of new future economic zones. Q3. Mohla Manpur, Sarangarh, Bilaigarh, Shakti, Manendragarh are the 4 newly formed districts to which state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Haryana, E. Punjab. Correct answer. C. Chhattisgarh. Notes. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has announced the creation of 4 new districts and 18 new tehsils in the state. The 4 new districts are Mohla Manpur, Sarangarh, Bilaigarh, Shakti, Manendragarh. Q4. Harshit Raja is the 69th and newest Grandmaster in chess for India. He hails from which city? A. Kolkata, B. Pune, C. Guwahati, D. Bhubaneswar, E. Dehradun. Correct answer. B. Pune. Notes. The 20-year-old chess player Harshit Raja from Pune, Maharashtra has become the 69th Grandmaster of India in chess. Q5. Vice President of India Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu recently unveiled the foundation stone of Innovation and Development Center of Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. In which city is the centrally owned GICSR based? A. Bengaluru, B. Pune, C. Hyderabad, D. Ahmedabad, E. Lucknow. Correct answer. A. Bengaluru. Notes. The Vice President of India Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu laid the foundation stone of Innovation and Development Center of Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, GICSR, Bengaluru. Q6. Which Indian hospital has become the first hospital of India to house a fire station inside the hospital premises? A. Jumar, Chandigarh, B. Apollo Hospital, Chennai, C. AIIMS, New Delhi, D. Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi, E. Vedanta Hospital, Gurugram. Correct answer. C. AIIMS, New Delhi. Notes. The All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, in New Delhi has become the first hospital of India to house a fire station inside the hospital premises to meet any emergency. For this, AIIMS has collaborated with Delhi Fire Service, DFS. Q7. The world's second largest national gene bank has been set up at the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. Where is the facility located? A. Dispur, B. Dehradun, C. Mumbai, D. Kanpur, E. New Delhi. Correct answer. E. New Delhi. Notes. The Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the world's second largest national gene bank at the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, NBPGR, Pusa, New Delhi, Q8. How many gallantry awards have been approved by President Ramnath Kovind for armed forces, police and paramilitary personnel on the occasion of Independence Day? A. 155. B. 177. C. 144. D. 122. E. 134. Correct answer. C. 144. Notes. President Shri Ramnath Kovind, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, has approved 144 gallantry awards for armed forces, police and paramilitary personnel on the occasion of Independence Day 2021. Q9. Who is the author of the book The Dream of Revolution, a biography of Jayaprakash Narayan? A. Sujata Prasad. B. Bimal Prasad. C. Vinay Narayan. D. Bipin Chandra. E. Both option 1 and 2. Correct answer. E. Both option 1 and 2. Notes. The book, The Dream of Revolution, a biography of Jayaprakash Narayan, shares anecdotes and never-before-told stories from the life of the man who was known for his emotional hunger for transformative politics, shunning power and incubating revolutionary ideas. The book is written by historian Bimal Prasad and author Sujata Prasad and published by Penguin Publication, Q10. Recently, RBI has cancelled the license of which bank in Maharashtra? A. Karnala Nagri Sahakari Bank. B. Fino India Bank. C. Dan Lakshmi Bank. D. AU Small Finance Bank. E. Axis Bank. Correct answer. A. Karnala Nagri Sahakari Bank. Notes. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has cancelled the license of Karnala Nagri Sahakari Bank of Maharashtra. Consequently, the bank ceases to carry on banking business, with effect from the close of business. Q11. RBI imposed a monetary penalty of on Cooperative Rabobank UA. A. 2.5 crore rupees. B. 1 crore rupees. C. 2 crore rupees. D. 1.5 crore rupees. E. 3 crore rupees. Correct answer. B. 1 crore rupees. Notes. RBI imposed a monetary penalty of 1 crore on Cooperative Rabobank UA. Its Mumbai branch is a part of the Netherlands-based Rabobank Group. The penalty has been imposed for contravention of certain provisions of the Banking Regulation Act, 1949 and directions related to transfer to reserve funds. A penalty of 5 lakh rupees has also been imposed on Village Financial Services Limited, Kolkata, Q12. Which bank has announced the introduction of green and sustainable deposits to safeguard the environment from climate change? A. HDFC Bank. B. ICICI Bank. C. SBI. D. IDBI Bank. E. Axis Bank. Correct answer. A. HDFC Bank. Notes. HDFC Bank has announced the introduction of green and sustainable deposits to safeguard the environment from climate change. These fixed deposits will be directed towards financing green and sustainable housing credit solutions and services. Q13. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has announced that Indian women's hockey team player _ will be the brand ambassador of the state's Department of Women Empowerment and Child Development. A. Rareem Sayami. B. Deep Gracika. C. Vandana Kataria. D. Nikki Pradhan. E. Navneet Kaur. Correct answer. C. Vandana Kataria. Notes. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has announced that Indian women's hockey team player Vandana Kataria will be the brand ambassador of the state's Department of Women Empowerment and Child Development. Q14. Who among the following has awarded Ashok Chakra in Gallantry Awards 2021? A. विकास खत्री, B. आशुतोष कुमार, C. नीरज हलावत, D. अरुण कुमार पांडे, E. बाबूराम. Correct answer. A. Baburam. Notes. Baburam, posthumously, Asi, Jammu and Kashmir Police has awarded Ashok Chakra in Gallantry Awards 2021, Q15. Name the following, who has been awarded Kirti Chakra in Gallantry Awards 2021. A. Altaf Hussain Bhatt, B. Parminder Antel, C. Jitesh Kumar, D. Manjinder Singh, E. Sunil Chaudhary. Correct answer. A. Altaf Hussain Bhatt. Notes. Altaf Hussain Bhatt, posthumously, Constable, J&K Police has been awarded Kirti Chakra in Gallantry Awards 2021.